So recently Zarif launches its Nauroz festive collection. So let's check one of the article from this collection. Starting off with a shirt. In shirt we have a thread embroidery and a sequence embroidery, as you can see, and the color is light pink color, as you can see. The fabric it's net. Next we have the border. ये border आपकी shirt की दामन पे आएगा और इसकी आप details और neatness check कर सकते हैं. Coming towards the next which is sleeves. Sleeves पे ये motif given है और इसको detail किया हुआ है ऐसी waves के साथ. Waves पे भी sequence work हुआ हुआ है, as you can see. The border of the sleeves is so elegant, as you can see. ये भी बहुत detail दिया हुआ है. The best part of this dress is दुपट्टा, जो कि आपको border के साथ और छोटी छोटी बूटियाँ दी हुई हैं. If you want this dress, so do check it out our website, which is www.sanaullastore.com. Happy shopping. Starting off with a neckline जो कि heavily embroidered है, as you can see, और इसमें sequence work और thread embroidery हुई है. The overall dress is in pink color, light pink color, and the fabric of this dress is net.